Assalamualaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to download and install uh, Android Studio in Windows 11 machine. So let's start. If you're new to my channel, subscribe the channel, like the video. So open your favorite browser. I am on on Chrome. So type here Android Studio download. So on the first link, click on download now. Now you have to click on download Android Studio on this. It will take a little time because the file is around 1.5 GB. So for the time saving purpose, I already download the file. So I'll go to the download folder and click on the setup. It's downloaded the exe file. So welcome to the Android Studio setup. Now from this, I'll click on next. So from this, I'll select both the options because we need Android visual device and the Android Studio, and it will require 3.9 GB space. So make sure you have enough space in your drive where you want to install the Android Studio. Click on next. So I will give the same path. It will install on this path. Okay, program file Android Studio. Click on next. I'll give the same. Click on next. Now the installing process is started. You can see the details from here if you want. So the installation complete. Now click on next and click on finish. So this is for the stats and usage and bug reporting out to the Android Studio. I'll keep this like don't send for now. Now click on next. So I'll go with the standard setting here. So next. It says the Android SDK location should not contain white space. So I'm going with C drive here. You can select according to yours and click on next. So it's taking a little time here. So I have set the path, C drive, and SDK directory to install the SDK setup. Okay, components. Click on next. So these are all the total space required 2.24 GB for these all tools. Click on next. Click on accept, and then now click on finish. So it will start the downloading all the settings we have set up. Like it started with emulator. So I need to wait for here. I'm pausing video here till it's complete. So the downloading component is completed. Click on finish. So you can see our Android Studio is completely installed in our system. So the Android Studio is installed in the Windows 11 machine. I will create a separate video in which I will explain a basic demo project, how to create that in Android Studio, and explain further instructions about the Android Studio. Good luck, guys.